Hi friends, welcome to Tutors Funny channel. Today I am going to teach how to call the Jasper report inside the panel here. Okay. Now here I am going to enter the student ID here 3. If I click OK, relevant student information will be displayed inside this panel. This is Jasper report, right? Now if you give the student name ID as 4, click OK. Here if it is click 4, its results. If it is 5, here is John, right? If it is 6, it's come as Peter, right? If it is successfully, it displays the student details, right? It displays student details successfully, right? This is a simple system how to do step by step. Today I will be teach, right? Now data is coming from the MySQL database, right? So let's go to the file, new project, select Java. Next, if it is create main class, I am going to uncheck it. Here I am going to give the project name as Jasper report, right? I just give the name as Jasper report. Right. I have give the name success. This is your project. I have closed the other projects, right? Now first what I am going to do is here, my project folder consists of 2 major folders here, right? First what I am going to do is here, first I am going to go to the source package. There will be the default packages there. So select the default package. I am going to create new package. Right click new Java package. Here I am going to create the Java package as report. I just give the name as report. You can give any name. After that I am going to add the new form. This is the report form. It is a report, right? I am going to give report. Right? You can give as a student report or something like that, right? Report. Right? Now here I am going to design the form, right? First what I am going to do is here, I am going to add the panel. This is a panel. I am going to drag here. Here the details should be displayed on this panel, right? This is a panel. Details should be displayed, right? Inside this panel, Jasper report should be viewed inside this panel, right? So here after that, select this one, properties, border. I am going to select as this soft bevel. Okay. After that, here we have to add the student informations, right? So here we have to add the student information. We need a label. This one should be the student ID. If I enter the student ID, relevant record should be displayed, right? Student ID. After that, we need a text box here. I need one button, right? So find. You have to click this button. I am going to name it as find. Right. Okay, this one we have to select this properties. Font we have to increase as a width bold, width 14th. Click OK. Right. This also select this one properties. Font we have to select as 14th, width bold. Right. This also we have to 14. Make it as a font property 14th. Right. Now select this one. Edit text backspace to remove the excesses. Select again. Change variable txt id. We have to name it as txt id. This text box. Right. This is a simple form. Now select this form. Right click. Properties. Code. Generate center. We have to make this option. Right. Now if you run the form, you can check. Okay, it's running at the center. If you enter the student id correctly, click find. The relevant student information below display the Jasper report here, right? So let's see how to do the task, right? Now first what I am going to do is here there will be the libraries. So here we have to connect the library, all the stuff here. So first go to the Google. First you have to go to the Google. You have to type here as first one should be the MySQL connector for Java. MySQL connector for Java. This one you have to download it, right? In order to connect MySQL and Java, you have to download this connector, right? If you type this one, there will be the link should be there. The first link, MySQL connector / Java. Click on this one. This goes to the relevant website for the download. Here you will be able to download. So here we have to go down. This is the things. Platform independent, MySQL connector Java with this one. Click on the download button and download it. If you click, it goes to the page for login or sign up. Here you don't need to log in or sign up. Click the below link, no thanks, start my download. If you click on this one, your download has been started below here, right? This time I no need to download, I already downloaded, so right click and cancel it. I already downloaded and put into the E drive. So I just go to my project, select the library folder, right click, add jar folder. Here I am going to import the file into my libraries, right? So MySQL connector. You have to get the MySQL connector, this one. Double click and open it. These two connectors we have to put into the library. So select both, or on the control key down, select both, open it. Now it's successfully here. It's successfully add on the libraries, right? Okay, you have to do this task, right? After that, I have to do another stuff is a Jasper report. We have to add the Jasper report, right? So we have to, if you don't know how to download the Jasper report jar, so you have just go to Google and type Jasper report jar down, Jasper report jar download. If you search this one, here there are many links are there. You have to select this one, right? Download Jasper report jar 6.0 with all dependencies, right? We need all the dependencies, right, in order to connect, right? There are many files there here, so all the things we needed, right, to connect the reports, right? If you click the download button and download this jar, right? If you download it, it can come like a zip file. After extract that, it is come as a normal one. You have to add that jar to here, right? So select the jar folder, library folder, add jar folder. Yeah, I have, it is reside on my E drive or jar file, so you have to this one, here, this folder. After download, you get all the jar file like this. You have to select, or on the shift key down and select all. Okay, click. Right. All the jars should be open successfully. Okay, it's open successfully. Perfect. Now let's run and build project again. Clean and build. Right, this build that. After done the stuff, what I am going to do is here, we have to do the thing is creating the Jasper report, right? So select the package. This is the package. I am going to create a Jasper report. Right click, new, report wizard. Here you have to select the layout. You have to wait until the layout load. It's loaded. You have to select blank A4, right? Click next, next. Here you have to load the table. So select the new. Here what is the here connection? MySQL JDBC connection. Click next. Here you have to specify the database. Here you have to create the name as here the student. I just give student name of, right. Here JDBC driver as a which driver? So MySQL driver. MySQL JDBC driver. This one. What is the database you have to enter here? What is the database you have to enter? JSP student. JSP student. This one you have to copy this database name. Copy. You have to paste it. Right? JSP student. Right? This is the default username. This is a user credential. When you install the XAMPP server in your machine, I have installed the XAMPP server, MySQL XAMPP server. If you access the database, so the XAMPP server in my machine defaultly, when you install the XAMPP server, default username will be root, password will be blank, right? If you test it, it's connection success, save, and if you load it, design, load this one, right? Click OK. Next, all, you select all, next, next, finish. Right. This is a blank form, right? Blank page. Now what I am going to do is here. The first title I am going to design the title. So let's drag the static text here. Right? Static text here. Now here we have to write the text, right? First one heading should be student. So right here is a student details. Select this one. 24. Right here. Now you have to change the font. Right like this. So now what I am going to do after that, we have to go to the report inspector. Here fields, we have to drag the fields, right? First one should be the student name. You have to drag here. The student here, drag here. Right, this is fields, right? The details we have to drag, right? Details, right? Student name, course, so the course. This one F should be the details. This one should be the heading. We no need the heading, right? Only F should be the details, right? Getting the F part, right? This is a fee, your drag, right? This one, delete, right? When you get the F, these are the details, right? These are details. Right? If you click the preview, you will be able to see the details, right? Yeah. See the details, right? There are many spaces between there. So what is the meaning is we have to adjust like this, right? We have to reduce the spaces, right? So here we have to zoom it. So zoom and do it. This one zoom, right? Here you can get a nice zoom. You have to arrange. You have to keyboard arrow keys, right? Up, down, and left, right arrow keys to make the design, right? Very professional one to make it like this, right? It's very simple, right? Now we have to reduce the spaces. Now here we need space, right? Perfect, right? Now here you need heading for that. For the heading, so I'm going to drag the static text here. First one should we have write student name. Student name. You have to like this. Select this one. With here you have select as bold. Our same thing. Control C, copy, Control V. Second one should be the course. Third one should be the same thing. Control C, copy, Control V, paste. Third one should be the fee. Right. This is the thing you have to write. Now we have to heading. We have to select like this, right? So here we have to write like this. Okay, perfect. Right. Now what I am going to do is here. I am going to this report. You can check here like this. Okay. Now I am going to pass a parameter for that, right? It is loading successfully. Now what I am this report, I am going to pass a parameter for that, right? You have to then you have to simple right. Reduce the spaces. This is the spaces, right? You take the time and do it. It's very simple one. Now what I am going to do is here. Now I am going to create a parameter for that. So click on this one, right? Click on this one. This is your database, right? Query. So here I am going to set the parameter. So here we have to write where it asks for the password. You just click OK. Where click OK. This record ID. This ID. Control C, copy, Control V, paste here. Equal. You have to pass this parameter. You have to add the new parameter ID. Right. This ID we have to pass it here. Right. What I does is here. What is the student ID? You are type on the relevant text box. Relevant details should be displayed. So that the student ID I have set as a parameter. Right. This is a record ID. Right. This ID is what is the record ID coming here? Relevant results should be displayed on the Jasper report, right? That's the stuff you have to do. After done the stuff, you have to click save. Okay to save, right? That's the thing we have to write. Now if you see the preview, it asks the number. If you write 4, here relevant results will be displayed. Here, it's working perfectly. You have to check both. First thing, right? After that, we have to connect this report into your panel, right? This is a panel, right? You have to connect, right? How to connect this? Very simple one. You have to connect. So we have to first select the find button. So here event action perform, right? Now here first we have to add the SQL part, all the stuff, right? You have to add here. So first you have to write a connection property here. You have to write connection con. After that we have this one. You have to add the namespace. After that prepare statement. TST, right? You have to import right like this. That's the thing we have to write. After that we have to add the SQL connection. So you have to write here. You have to write public void connect. So right here is class dot. You have to write here. Right here is class dot for name. So you have to write the driver here. You have to write com dot mysql dot jdbc driver dot driver. Right, like this. Okay. You have to add the try and catch. After that, you have to add here is second one. You have to write driver manager dot get connection. Here you have to write the URL where your database reside on, right? So jdbc mysql. You have to write here localhost. What's the database name? Your database name is this one, right? JSP student, right? So here Control C to copy this database, you have to paste it here, right? JSP student, right? Now what I'm going to do is here you have to give the MySQL server login credential. You have to create when you install the XAMPP server in your machine, root is a username, password is a blank, right? You have to set like this, right? This is the things you have set. This is not error. You have to import the catch, right? This is the thing you have to write first, right? Perfect. After that, what I'm going to do is here we have to write the Jasper report to connect it. So we have to write we have to connect the Jasper report inside this panel. So what I am going to say, I am going to create another thing is I am going to write another function load report. Right. Here first what I am going to write is here. First we have to write hash map. So the hash map, create an object A equal new hash map. Control C to copy, Control V to paste here. Here first what I am going to A dot put. So write the put method. You have to add the hash map here. You have to write A dot put. Here we have to write first ID. So ID means this ID. You have to set the parameter ID. What is the ID you have set on the parameter? So ID, this ID, parameter ID, right? This ID you have to set here, right? ID, okay. Right, ID. Here we have to write here is a text box name. What is the text box name? This one, txt ID. You have to write txt ID dot get text. Right. Now we have to write another thing is you have to write first you have to write the panel. First we have to, when you load the panel, first you have to write J. What's the name of the panel? Select this one, JPanel 1. So you have to write JPanel 1 dot remove all. First you have to select remove all function. After that, you have same thing, you have to Control C to copy, Control V to paste it. Second one you have to set as a panel 1 dot you have to write repaint. You have to write repaint method. After that you have to write JPanel 1 dot revalidate. You have to write these functions, right? So first clear. After that you have to write Jasper report. So Jasper design. You have to write design JDesign. Write JDesign equal. You have to write JRXML load dot load. Now here we have to specify the path of the report. The report is this one. This is a report. So right click, properties. This is the path, right? Click on this one, select, Control C to copy, Control V to paste here. This is the path. You have to generate the report, right? And in the screen you have to end the statement like this, right? This is the thing we have to write first. Okay. Now here select this one. You have to add the namespace, this one. Right. After that you have to add the try catch. Right. That's the thing you have to write. After that you have to write here is second one you have to write simple Jasper report. So write J report equal Jasper compile manager dot compile report. This one should J design. Control C to copy, Control V to paste J design. Right. After that we have to write Jasper print, you have to add the namespace here, so that here Jasper print, you have to write JPrint equal Jasper field manager dot field report. You have to write JReport, the JReport, you have to paste it here, JReport. After that, this A, put this A. After that, con means this is a connection object, right? You have to write here, connection object here. Con is a connection, right? So that's the thing, you have to put it here. This connect method function, Control C to copy, Control V to paste here. When the form is loaded, the connection method should be loaded. Then only this connection will be connected, right? So it should be connected, right? You have to write like this, okay? The very simple one, you have to write the things, right? Here we have one mistake, we didn't wrote here, con equal this one. This connection we have to, connection object we have to write here. Then only this connection is reside on this object, connection object, right? This is the database connection, it is assigned into this connection object, we have to call it here. Calling to the database connection into this report, right? That's the thing we have to do, right? Very simple one. So we have to add the print class also here, namespace, right? Okay, this if you right click at all the namespace, it should be added here. Import all the stuff here, it's added like this, right? That's the thing you have to write. Okay, after that what I am going to do is here, we have to write all the stuff have we added successfully. After that we have to write JR viewer. We have to write the object v equal new JR viewer, Control C copy, Control V paste here. Here paste it this JPrint, Control C copy, Control V paste print, right? So you have to add the namespace here, right? After that you have to write this JPanel, Control C copy, Control V paste here. Dot set layout. Here we have to write new border layout. You have to write here this JPrint, Control C copy, Control V paste JPrint, right? No, not here. You have to write below. JPrint you have to write right here. Okay. Below you have to write you have to add the border packages also, right? After that, finally you have to write this JPanel, Control C copy, Control V paste here. Dot add to this one, to the panel, this one. You have to add this one to panel, Control C copy, Control V paste here, right? If you call this one, this Jasper viewer, all the stuff should be added into this panel, right? You have to call this panel into this panel, right? This Jasper report, this complete Jasper report added into the panel. This object you have to call inside the JPanel dot add v means this one, right? After that, what I am going to do is here, we have to do the another important stuff is go to the Jasper report JRXML, this file, go to the XML. Here we have to remove the one language here. So it's a grow with this language grow. You have to select this one and press delete key on your keyboard and delete them, right? This is must, right? Otherwise it won't run. You have to run and we have to build project. You have to build it, clean and build it. You have done the stuff, you have to build the project. After that, what I am going to see, the same function, Control C to copy. We have to select this button. When the button is clicked, the action should be action, right? So we have to paste it here, right? That's the thing we have to run. Very simple. Now let's run the report and check. If you enter the student ID 3, fine. Result should be displayed here. But here the scores, what is the things might be happen. Right. Now let's here it's working perfectly. Here it's working perfectly. Right? Now if it is 5, it's working. 6, it's working. If it is 7, no data is there, so it's here, no documents is there. If you 3, it's working. Right? It's working perfectly. Right? Okay, it's very simple stuff, you will be able to see, right? Thank you for watching. If you have any doubt on this, you can ask me anytime. If you like my channel, please subscribe me, like me. Thank you for watching.